Hello guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be walking you through Stella SEO and what is it and how you can use it to audit and improve your website's SEO. So here I am logged into my account. It's free to sign in and you get 3 or 4 free reports, which is great. So now let's dive into it. The purpose of Stella SEO is to audit your website. So here you can see I've audited ipmmedia.net and it's given me a score and given me some issues. Let's audit, for example, another website of mine, LukeMead 4x4. So I'm going to take that URL and put that into here. Note, you can take any URL on this website and put it in here, and we're going to hit analyze. What this is going to do is generate a report inside of Stella SEO for us to have a look at. You can see it's generated the report and ranked it 84 out of 100, which is good. It's not, perfect, but it's not bad either. We can click into the report, and this is where Stella SEO is perfect because it's really easy to understand and makes it clear what your issues are and how your website is performing. So you can see it breaks it down into 4 main categories: SEO, performance, security, and miscellaneous. Obviously, these will all affect SEO, but let's start off by having a look at SEO. So you can see we've got a title tag, and a big error is we are missing a meta description. And you can see that's marked as red as a big issue. And then the next big issue is there is no H1 tag on the website. Now we can click on more to open up a bit more information about what is the H1 tag and why it's important. But already we can see that those are some 2 big issues that are going to be easy to fix to improve our SEO. As we scroll down, you can see that we have other checks which we have passed on this website, and you can see that we've got an image issue, so we're using one image that's not in the perfect format, and you can see we've got some JavaScript issues, which these are obviously quite high level SEO issues which are out of my control. And you can see there's CSS issues as well, and the text to HTML ratio is under 10%. Now that is basically how Stella SEO works, and you can do as many of these as you want. So we can go in and let's take for example our about page. We can do this too, and we can audit it again and have a look how the about page is performing. So the idea is you can go through and edit all of your pages that you need to be editing, and you can see that the about page is actually performing better with a 94% score. And the one issue it's got currently is that there is no H1 tag again. So say for example you want to share this report with someone. Stella SEO makes it really easy. Head to the print button, and you can see that Stella can let you save as a PDF, or you can print out the report in a really nice format. Now you can see that Stella SEO has also generated the report with some custom data at the top. So the way it's done this is, under your account settings, you can go to your preferences, and in here you can put in your brand details. So put in your name, the URL of your website, your email, the logo that you want to use, and away you go. So in doing that, Stella SEO makes it really easy to actually share your reports, download them, and send them off to clients, which is really cool to do. Now Stella has a few other features, like there's this project section. So Stella SEO will automatically recognize if you've got 20 URLs all coming from LukeMead 4x4, it will put them underneath one project so that they're not all cluttered up. So you can have 10 websites here and 10 web pages you're analyzing on each website, and you're not going to be overwhelmed with the amount of pages. Lastly, Stella SEO has some other built-in website tools to help you out. There's anything from lorem ipsum generators to URL converters to SSL checkups and even keyword generators. So if you want to have a look at a keyword, say hat holder, we can put that in there and generate some keywords for us to use. So Stella SEO has some really cool tools that you can also use on the back end to help improve your SEO. This is a really good overview of Stella. They're really reasonably priced. So currently I am on the unlimited plan, which is $4.99 a month. But if you want, there is a free plan to start with, and that is here. That gets you 3 monthly reports, gets you access to all the tools. You can bump up to the next plan, which is 20 monthly reports at $4.95 a month. And then if you're a big time creator, then you can go to $10 a month, and that gets you unlimited reports and access to all the tools. And of course, if you purchase yearly, you get 16% off the price, and that is for every single plan, except the free one, obviously. So that is a really good introduction to Stella SEO, and why I recommend you use it to audit your website and see if you can make improvements and just check out how your overall website health is performing. If you guys do like Stella, I'll be a link in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to link to a video about how to improve your e-commerce SEO. Have a watch that if you want to learn a bit more about SEO. There's some advanced tactics in there. Have a great time, guys. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.